Ladies and gentlemen.
Alright, we're gonna tell you the story. My man Stevie and his boy Curtis. They're just the characters, you know what I'm saying? Stories about hip hop though.
Let me start from the beginning at the top of the list.
Stevie used to wonder why Curtis did blow. He was notoriously big, his mind was deeper than most. He was a prodigy, Destiny's Child, born as a king. Not a common man, a method man who planned out things. Razor sharp with the intellect, a genius that would inspect. Left no clue untouched, they called him Double Check. Chef of the master plan with golden arm, known to strike out at any old bastard that did harm. The Superman back in the hood,